What's the meaning of craftily? Craftily. Craftily.
Craftily. Craftily. Craftily means doing something in a skillful and cunning way, typically with the intention of deceiving others. When someone acts craftily, they are using their intelligence and abilities to manipulate a situation for their own benefit, often at the expense of others. This can result in a successful outcome for the person acting craftily, but it can also lead to mistrust and damaged relationships. Ultimately, relying on crafty tactics to achieve one's goals is not a sustainable or ethical approach to navigating life's challenges.